Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some fairly nice conditions out there this morning. Steadily breeze starting to pick up a little bit the last half an hour or so, but temperatures are rising in the mid 60s. We'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s today, so well above normal, and a preview to summer. So we'll have rising humidity levels as well. So very nice day overall. No chances of precipitation or lightning across the region, with just some partly cloudy skies and slightly breezy winds for the afternoon. Temperatures yesterday across the region seeing anywhere from about the mid 60s to the mid 80s, so quite a range across the Delmarva Peninsula and into the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Seeing that backdoor cold front move through yesterday really gave those temperatures a range across the area. Richmond at 85 degrees, here at Wallops we were 68, Salisbury at 65, Dover only saw 59 degrees, as well as Ocean City yesterday. So with that backdoor cold front moving through those areas earlier in the day, with the cooler temperatures, and then the backdoor cold front never moved through Richmond yesterday, seeing that temperature 85 degrees. Last night saw temperatures dropping into the lower to mid 50s in general, 55 here at Wallops, at Pax River, and DC. Newport News and Ocean City were at 51. Those are the cool spots across the region. No precipitation last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., we're seeing temperatures in the upper 50s to lower to mid 60s, seeing anywhere from about cloudy to mostly cloudy to partly sunny, skies across the region. As of 9 a.m., we were 62 degrees under partly sunny skies here at Wallops. Looking at our 12Z sounding from this morning, seeing a freezing level at 10,900 feet, southwesterly winds about 15 to 20 knots in the low levels, then increasing up to 48 knots out of the northwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, as of 12Z this morning, we have a warm front that's moved north of the region that's allowing us to have southerly flow, warmer temperatures, and increasing humidity levels. And as see those temperatures rise into the 70s today, as I mentioned, we'll have a strong cold front as well as an additional area low pressure develop along the Appalachian Mountains and a move through our region for our Friday night. Looking at our infrared satellite imagery this morning, seeing abundance of upper cloud cover across the region, and that's going to be the case for today, as we'll have partly sunny skies to partly cloudy skies across the region, with this upper level cloud cover streaming in from the west. See our current conditions as well as our radar and infrared satellite, seeing some light rainfall to moderate rainfall across western Virginia and eastern portions of West Virginia. That's going to be staying well west of our area today. We'll just be seeing dry conditions. Southerly winds increasing for the afternoon, as I mentioned. Temperatures already rising quickly into the 60s, and we'll see those temperatures in the 70s today. Looking at our Thursday night planner, we'll have a fairly tight pressure gradient across the region. That'll allow for our overnight low to be in the 60s, as we'll have slightly breezy conditions during the overnight time period. You can see this area low pressure for our Thursday afternoon here into Friday. Looking at this area of pressure moving into the Appalachian Mountains and dragging a cold front across the southeast states. Looks like we have a decent chance of seeing some thunderstorms and also a possibility of some severe thunderstorms across the Mid-Atlantic Friday evening through Friday night into Saturday, and looks like that cold front will move through Wallops around 3 to 4 a.m. Saturday morning before it moves off the coast for late Saturday morning. And Saturday afternoon, here's our Saturday PM planner. Looks fairly decent across the region. It'll just be breezy and temperatures mild in the 60s. So overall, a decent Saturday, but Friday night looks like we'll have some active weather. I'll get into that a little bit more. So we look at our risk chart for the next few days. Let's see, today will be very nice out there. Temperatures in the mid 60s overall, high of 76 degrees here at Wallops. Those locations near Salisbury could be seeing temperatures in the upper 70s, looking at possibility of maybe 78, 79 degrees in Salisbury today. Overnight low tonight will be 62 degrees. Our winds will be out of the south to southwest today, and then turning southerly during the evening hours. Seeing those winds peaking out south 15 to 20 knots, gust to 27 knots for the late afternoon and the evening hours. Then we'll see our winds back slightly, or decrease slightly, at the south-southwest during the overnight hours, 10 to 15, gust to 20. We'll have orange for our winds for the afternoon evening hours, and then reducing that to a yellow as we'll see our winds slightly lessen for the late evening and the overnight time period. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll have VFR conditions throughout today, and then we'll see some low-level cloud cover coming in for our Friday morning with a broken deck at 1,500 feet. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking into Friday through Saturday, Friday will be mostly cloudy, windy, and humid, a chance of afternoon and evening showers, a slight chance of a thunderstorm. And we'll have windy conditions with those wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour possible. We'll have a high of 70 degrees on Friday. If those winds do turn out of the southwest for a short time period on Friday, you easily see the lower 70s, more like 73 degrees, but looking like that wind will be out of the due south direction, and that should allow us to only see 70 degrees here at Wallops. A yellow for precipitation, red for winds, and a yellow for our ceilings late in the day on Friday. Then Friday night, our weather really becomes active with the cold front moving through. Be overcast, windy, humid with showers and thunderstorms likely. Some of the storms could be severe. A low of 62 degrees. A red for precipitation and winds. Orange for our lightning and our ceilings. And Friday night looks like we could be seeing overall just windy conditions before the front moves through. Still going to have that chance of seeing winds up to 45 miles an hour before the storms move through the region, and then once the storms do move through, could be seeing some stronger wind gusts with the convective nature of those storms, as well as an isolated tornado across the region. Can't be ruled out as we'll have a lot of shear across the area. One caveat to the severe weather on Friday night could be the lack of instability, but the overall strong dynamic nature of this system should allow for the storms to develop, and as I mentioned, some of those could be severe. And then Saturday we'll see overcast, mostly cloudy skies, windy conditions, a chance of lingering rain showers during the morning, then partly to mostly cloudy and windy during the afternoon. Be mild with a high of 69 degrees, a yellow for precipitation in the morning, and then we'll have those winds most likely gusting up to about 30 knots during the day on Saturday, so we'll have a red for our winds. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have nice conditions today, high of 76 degrees, slightly breezy in the afternoon with a chance of a wind advisory. Then Friday, we'll have windy conditions, rain showers possible during the afternoon hours and evening hours, slight chance of a thunderstorm, and then conditions get active for Friday night into Saturday with the potential for severe weather. Then Saturday morning, we'll have a lingering rain shower possible. Saturday afternoon, we'll see temperatures in the mid-60s. We'll see a morning high on Saturday of 69 degrees before temperatures start to fall during the afternoon with some colder air moving in the region. And on Sunday, we'll have an additional upper-level disturbance moving through the region that could possibly develop an area low pressure off our coast for Sunday night into Monday morning. Right now, the odds of that occurring look fairly low, but with that upper-level disturbance moving through, we'll have some widely scattered showers across the region Sunday afternoon. Then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday look like they'll be above normal overall temperature-wise. Monday and Tuesday in the lower to mid-70s. Tuesday could be seeing even some upper 70s across the region before a backdoor cold front comes through on Wednesday, with temperatures a little bit cooler in the mid-60s. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day out there today. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.